from the House of Jane. How's everybody doing? Today I am opening up a new subscription that I haven't shown on my channel before. It's from England. It's called the Cotton Twine box. It's from the Historical Sampler Company, and it's, you know, not for everybody, but if you like to do counted cross stitch, this is your box. I received this about a week ago. It's my second box. I'm going to show you this current one, and then I'm going to show you what I received a few months ago because the pattern is just so adorable. If you haven't done so already, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. That would mean a lot to me. It would help me grow my channel. So let's get started. The packaging is always really pretty, and this month they have this blue tissue paper and their little sticker. Let me open it. And the one thing about this box is you pretty much know what you're going to get. They have an active Instagram page. So when I saw this pattern online, it's a little tote bag with this little tin of sardines, and it says Happy Days. I was like, I had to get this. This is just too cute for words. So they give you a pattern, and it's really nice. They give you everything to make this project. So right on top, I see some tea. It's lemongrass and ginger. And I really like getting boxes from overseas, especially from across the pond in England. This is a British tea that I am sure to enjoy. All right, I'll stop. And Cotswold fudge. It's 100% scrumptious. Look at that fudge. It really looks good. It's fudge with sea salt, and who doesn't love a good sea salt mixed with sugar and condensed milk? So we will be having this for a treat after dinner. Now here is that little sardine thingy that you're gonna hang, that I'm gonna hang from the bag. I'm just like, oh, it's so cute. And I eat sardines. I eat sardines all the time in a can. I know that's not very popular for a lot of people, but I love sardines, and so I can relate to that. Here's the little jute bag that once you finish the cross stitch, you just sew it onto here, hand sew it. It's a little jute bag from westfordmill.com. If you're interested in ordering that, westfordmill.com. And, you know, couldn't you just like see yourself going shopping with your little cross stitching on there and just being the bee's knees? I can. And then they put everything in a little bag, and it says thank you. So this is a monthly subscription. You don't have to purchase it every month. So I pay through PayPal, and it costs 28 pounds, which is like $36, a little on the pricey side, but you're gonna get incredible patterns that I think are really unique. Take a look at that. So yeah, it's expensive, but I work hard for my money. I do. So they give us the cloth, and this one has a little border on the side that probably won't show anywhere. Now this Ada cloth is like really tiny, and this is not the easiest thing to do. Cross stitch in itself is easy. You just do a bunch of straight lines, and you go back the other way, and you just do X's. That's the main cross stitch. This I'm going to need some serious readers because the holes are really small. So I'll probably, if I'm wearing my contacts, I will bump up my readers. But even if I'm wearing glasses, I might even put my readers on over my glasses. So here's the pattern inside. I meant to show you that as well. And they include the thread and your needle. So for this, it's probably going to be 2 strands of thread. Yeah, you use 2 strands of each thread color to do this. And this is actually, if I like got serious and did this every day, I bet you I can finish this in a few weeks. So this is what I like to do when I watch TV. So that's the whole box, but I want to show you what I received in my last one, which I got a few months ago. It's also adorable. This I received in March. It was their spring chicken pattern. Isn't that cute? I haven't started it yet, but this one came with a hoop. It also came with candy, which we already ate, so can't show you that. But it comes with the Ada cotton, the threads, and the needle. And this little ribbon is for wrapping around the hoop. This one also came with a hoop. And they always come with a hoop, actually. So after you finish it, you double wrap. You wrap this around that outer hoop. Pull it tight and frame it. So that's the other. Oh, and it also came with this. It's a little hen. It's Make Your Own Felt Decorations by Trimmets. It's also an ox. It's from England. It's from Oxfordshire, and they give you all the little pieces to include the batting inside to hand sew this cute little chicken. So that was my other Cotton and Twine subscription box, which unfortunately I haven't started yet, but I will. And when I say I will, and then I will show you the project when I finish it. I'm not going to put a timeline on myself for this one. Again, this is 16 count 80, which is really tiny, but I think I can do it. And if I can't, I can always buy my own cloth to do this adorable project. So that is it for Cotton and Twine. And if you pay through PayPal, there's no extra fees, and it does come out to about $36. I'll leave down below in the description box if you're interested in joining and purchasing a month and seeing how it goes. They have really unique patterns that you're not going to find in the States. At least I haven't found any like that in the States. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And of course, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.